Assalamu alaikum, student and guys. Welcome back again in my classroom. Okay, today we have continuation of again important questions from Sir Ahmad Saya book, and this is our reference book, and this book is already prescribed by Cambridge examination. So now we are selecting again some important questions from this book. Okay, so let's start here. अच्छा क्या क्वेश्चन है बच्चों? बच्चों क्वेश्चन ये है कि read this questions. Three objectives are hidden in a tub. एक टब है in which you have three objectives. Three object. Okay, three objects रखे हुए and one is a model car जिनमें से one object जो है वो एक model car है and one is a model plane. Another one is a model plane and other is model train. So there are three objects. यानी एक टब में you will have a three object. One object is your model car. Okay, one object is your model train. Another one is model plane. Okay, तो model plane. तो what is here to feel? Okay, sorry. In acha, they are in identical boxes. Okay, means के they are wrapped or packed in identical boxes and all the boxes are inserted in a tub. एक tub में रखे हुए. Okay, so it is not possible to feel which one is which. यानी तुम्हें बॉक्स से फील कर कर नहीं बता सकते कि that in that box you will have a train or you will have a plane or you will have a car. You cannot decide or determine that one. So all boxes are identical boxes. ये कहना चाह रहा हूं. Okay. The probability of picking a box. The probability of picking a box containing plane is 2/7. अगर हम बॉक्स कंटेन में से बॉक्स यानी टब में से एक बॉक्स कंटेन करते हैं और वो बॉक्स फॉर एग्जांपल प्लेन है, उस बॉक्स के अंदर प्लेन है, ठीक है, तो व्हाट इज द चांस और द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ दैट प्लेन इज 2/7. सिमिलरली द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ पिकिंग अ बॉक्स कंटेनिंग अ ट्रेन इज 1/7. अगर हम एक ट्रेन पिक करते हैं यानी लेट्स से वी सेलेक्ट अ बॉक्स और वो बॉक्स में अगर ट्रेन है तो ट्रेन की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है? इट इज इक्वल टू 1/7. ओके, व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ पिकिंग अ बॉक्स कंटेनिंग अ मॉडल कार? अब वो कह रहा है कि भाई मॉडल कार पिक करने की क्या चांस है और क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी है. ही इज आस्किंग हियर. ओके, इट मींस के देयर आर थ्री ऑब्जेक्ट और ईच ऑब्जेक्ट एसोसिएटेड with its probability. What is अगर for example मैं कहता हूं भाई let's say a model car, sorry, a model car probability PC कह दी मैंने. ओके, एंड probability of plane. Okay, model plane probability, what is P? ये मैंने कह दिया. ओके, मॉडल प्लेन प्रोबेबिलिटीज P. And now what is the probability of now second one is model train probability is PT. Okay, so there are three probabilities and PC is what? The model car probability you have to find out. तो भाई PC हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. ये हमने क्वेश्चन मार्क बना दिया. नाउ P probability of plane is 2 over 7, 2 over 7, and similarly the probability of train is 1 over 7. Okay, बच्चों we know very well the sum of probabilities equal to 1. हम जानते हैं sum of all possible probabilities equal to 1. Okay, जितनी भी probabilities होती है उनका sum equal to क्या होता है? Always equal to 1. They never greater than 1. वो कभी भी 1 से ज्यादा नहीं हो सकती. 0 होंगी या 1 होगी. Okay, always lie between 0 and 1. तो अब मैं क्या कर सकता हूं? मैं ये कर सकता हूं कि भाई PC plus P plus PT, that is equal to 1. Okay, all probability sum equal to 1. Okay, now find out. Yes, PC is what? PC is, you need to find out, PP is 2 over 7 plus 1 over 7 equal to 1. So PC equal to plus 7, 2 plus 1 equal to 1. Yes, and PC equal to 1 minus, sum करता हूं इसको, 3 over 7. Now take the LCM, it is equal to 1. So LCM is 7. So 7 ones are 7 and minus 3. So you will have 7 minus 3 is 4 over 7. So probability of car, model car is 4 over 7. Probability of car. This is the probability of car. Okay, bachcho. Now that question is completed here. So you can have any question. If you have any questions, so you can text me. I will reply you. I think there is no need to confuse related to this question. It is very simple and very basic questions. What we did here, we just add the all probabilities, and we know that as per the criteria of the probabilities, it can equal to the sum of the all probabilities are equal to 1, and they never greater than 1. वो 1 से ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकती है. Clear बच्चों? That was from my side, and wait for my other video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.